So basically, our student who come to here basically is doing their year one. So this one actually this project is very simple. We call training kits. So can you see or not? They learn this one actually all we call using numerics control. This thing we call actuator or cylinder. So actually the student after they doing their they need to learn their fundamental topic, the cylinder individually. Then they come to here, they can see the application. So this one I think is like this. To do pick and place. Pick and place. Can you see it? Pick and place. Maybe they pick from here and come to here, then they place here. Oh, so this one actually is the function. Okay, function. Pick, then come out.
And place.
Place. Then after that, come out. Pick, come down. Pick, come out.
This.
Place. Can you see it? But this one now we are manually doing.
Yeah.
But in real case over here, the student need to use programmable logic control to control the controller. Then using the numeric to fully automated, control this not manual. Can you see? So over here, can you see how many technology involved? They need to know the sensor technology, pneumatics control, okay, valve and PLC. But simple electrical wiring students also need to learn. So can you see a few technology over here? So eventually next time they go to industrial, they straight away they know what is the application, what is the function for each of the components. Can you see? So that is very important.
Can you demonstrate?
That is very important. Again?
Can you demonstrate one of these?
Now they are not connected.
Okay.
Yeah, they are not connected. This one also not connected. So if we want to demonstrate, unless the A we must connect, then all the power must turn on. Yeah. Because PLC, the PLC is not here. That means the brain is not here. The brain is not here. Actually, we need to have a programmable logic control. That means the controller actually, yes, I think the controller is there. Okay, we need to hook it up and play. Can you see or not?
Yes.
So once that we have lesson over here, can you see the black color thing? Yes, there is the controller. Yes, now here don't have. Okay, controller. Then to control the simple thing. So this is actually demonstrate very fundamental simple function. Okay, next step, the student will use 1 and 2 simple functions put together. Then if you have more and more, then end up you make the whole thing become very complicated. But each of this system, they have different function. Then end up, can you see from simple, then end up you join become very complicated. So later I'll bring you to the other side, you can see more complicated. But because they have different functions, then you add conveyor line, then you add transfer unit, transfer system, and now you can see just like a very small factory. Can you see it? Yeah. So actually exactly like this. Actually they use each individual component. If you see individual component is simple. End up if we link everything, merge everything together, can you see it? It's just like a conveyor system. Simple conveyor system. Can you see? Yes. So this one a lot of things to learn. In fact, the student come to here, they learn integrated technology. Okay? Integrated technology. Pneumatics is important, sensor technology is important. The most important thing, they're using PLC to control the entire thing. Programmable logic control for our mechatronics student. Okay? Can you see? So the very fundamental is here. Is here. So this is one step higher. One step higher. motor, yeah, all everything. So in fact, motor, the student need to learn physics. Pneumatics control, they also need to know physics. Then sensor technology, they are using wave to transmit the signal, also need to know physics. Physics and mathematics eventually must integrate.
Yes.
Okay? So it's all very important. That's why engineering students must pass maths and physics before they come to here. If they fail physics, fail mathematics, sorry, cannot come. Because this one, very important. Of course, language is important because later on, if you complete the project, how can you explain it? How can you write a report?
Yes.
How can you tell the other people your finding? That's why language, English is important. Huh? Okay, anything you want to ask me? No? If no, we go to another lab. We want to go to another lab. Press the button. Can you? If you come there. Yes. All come out first. Yes. चलो चलो तारातारी चलो तारातारी आंसू So obviously you can see this one actually is individual. Can you see or not? Individual. This is actually simple pick and place. But if let's say the simple pick and place, they pick and place, assemble, function differently, linked by the conveyor system. This is double layer conveyor system. This one can become a complicated work, industrial, smaller scale factory. Okay, factory process. Can you see or not? Huh? Smaller scale factory process over here. This lab actually we call Siemens lab. Why we call Siemens lab? Because Siemens donated all the PLC. So we named after Siemens. Remember I told you Siemens donated the item. Our students learn Siemens PLC. Next time, next time they go out, they will buy Siemens PLC. Siemens will earn money. Can you see? This is win-win situation. Okay?
Siemens মানে এটা
হয়তো জার্মানি কোম্পানি
Yes, come Yeah. Do you know what is this or not? Yes, come in. Chalo, chalo.
আসো আসো
Do you know what is this? This is camera. Okay? In industrial, we call it machine vision. We use machine vision for what? Not taking camera. Actually, is to do inspection. So basically, machine vision, we use it in the industrial is mainly for inspection. To inspect what? For example, if let's say your industrial, you produce 100,000 of this part.
Yeah.
But machine, sometimes they may have error. So when this one you have to imagine, currently you manually place it here, but in fact in factory you should have a conveyor to send it along the conveyor line to send the part to here.
Yeah.
Then the machine vision will take a photograph. Then after taking photograph, computer very fast, they can do all the measurement.
Yeah.
From center point to center point, the distance, they can do all the calculation. Then tell the controller, this controller, this part pass or fail. Of course, you need to set your standard.
Yeah.
If maybe same as the masterpiece is passed, how many percent same? Maybe 90%. Consider passed. If less than 90%, then consider fail. Then if fail, what happened? Move to next station. We have robotic arm waiting for it. So it's like this. Can you see or not? This is the machine vision. Okay? When the part goes in, this one take a photo. So machine vision can calculate very fast. Immediately, I think within 1 second, this system will send signal to here. So actually here will respond. If pass, will come to here. If fails, it will throw here. Can you see? Understand? Yeah. This is the concept. So our students have the opportunity to learn the industrial setup. Over here they learn the simulation, okay, which very close to industry. So that is called teaching factory concept. That is the beauty of teaching factory concept. Actually, we try to demonstrate, try to let the student learn as close as possible what industrial apply. Can you see? So we try to close the gap of the industry. Okay? So you have to understand one thing, technology is moving forward. Okay? Moving forward. So anything you want to ask? No? All understand? Are you sure? Yeah. Bujo? Bujo? Bujina? Why you don't understand? Yes, please come to here. Which part you don't understand?
Because I have no basic idea.
You are what? Your language teacher. I mean, you never listen. You understand very fast.
Language teacher, language बोलना.
The basic concept is like this. We let our students to learn the knowledge very close to industrial requirement. So next time, after this, they go to industrial, their learning curve will be shorter. Then they can learn very fast in the industry. Can you see? They no need to spend 6 months, 1 year, 2 years in order to get used to the setup of the industry. So that's why our setup here we call it teaching factory concept. Teaching factory actually the setup is very close, very similar to industrial requirement. Can you see? Of course, you need to have a lot of investment. That's why I told you technology is moving forward. Yeah. So one day maybe your Ministry of Education tell you we need to have the setup similar to Nanyang Polytechnic. At least you know how to respond. You cannot respond to your Ministry of Education say what is Nanyang setup? I don't know. What is ITL? No, now you know ITL. This is ITL, right? Robotic integrated technology for teaching and learning. Integrated technology, robotic arm is one technology. Machine vision another technology. Then we have PLC another technology. All the different technology. Yes, integrated. Is that clear? Yeah. So you're teaching English or Bangla? Bangla. Bujo? Bujo. Still don't understand. Then you cannot go home. You must stay here. They will teach you. Okay. So Tuesday you cannot go home. Who else don't understand must stay back. Who don't understand? All understand. All can go home except you. Except you. Okay? Yeah, okay. Which part you want to ask? Okay. Yeah? Another lab, of course. You want to make sure you understand. I think our friends don't understand. Cannot release you so early. One don't understand. Bujo?
Uji.
Bujina.